3, 2, 1, go!
So guys, ito ako ngayon. Kailangan kong magtalukbong kasi because very cold here in Macau now. 6 to 7 degrees. And tonight it will look down to 5. Want to sleep. My employer is sleeping, not go out. I have so much work. Load of work. Did you see this one? Diba? Have a nice day. Load work ako ngayon. Kailangan kong tapusin ito. Ito na yung last. I have already done. So, because my employer have a factory of like we call shabu-shabu. Not shabuhana. Yung ganun, hindi shabu-shabu. Parang steamboat. Tinatawag nilang steamboat. Tapos grabe talagang lamig. Diyos ko. So cold. As in. Nagninig ako. So, ito na yung tikita. Ito ako ngayon ha. You know how many clothes I have wear today? Inside have two warmer. Wait. So much load. Yeah. I have warmer. So para ako ngayon feel like I am a robot. 1, 2. Kasi ito? 3, 4. This is for number 4. Better take this one, you know. And then this is the best. We call them best. I still cool. I still feel cold, you know. Grabe. My God. So, but it's life in abroad. You look, see, I am feel fat. I am like a fat, but no, because of the clothes. So very cold. This is the sticker because I have made this one for my employer's business. So tomorrow I make this again chili sauce. So many work, and then I need to clean because the Chinese New Year is coming. Oh my God! But it's like so cold, very cold talaga kasi. I feel like a robot when I am moving. My goodness, my employer is sleeping. So, diba? Magpakabait tayo kasi malapit ang Chinese New Year. Para magkaroon ng maraming laisi. Yay! Money! So, have a nice day and God bless. How many minutes? Ticker. Grabing lamig. So, okay, bye-bye. If you see this one, nakita nyo yung nasa gitna na picture. Last year, photo ko yan. Before, Chinese New Year. Chinese New Year, tapos hindi siya masyadong malamig one year ago. Tapos ngayon, halos 1 year ago eh. In-upload ko yan sa Facebook. Tignan mo, pa ako. Nakapalda. Pumunta ako ng Divination. Pagkatapos Divination, saan pa ba yun? Parisian. Yan. Ang kaharap niyan is tawag nito. So 1 year ago, hindi na ako nakapunta doon. Kasi busy ako sa work. Kaya ganun talaga ang buhay dito sa ibang bansa. Ang Chinese New Year is highlight nila is February 11, February 10, 11, 12, 13. Tapos natapat ng linggo yung isa, kaya move to Monday, so nagiging 14. So 4 days ang aming holiday dito sa Chinese New Year, February 10 up to 14. So 4 days. So ganun lang. So ngayon, sobrang busy. Overload ako sa work. Grabe. Kasi 2 bahay yung amo ko sa araw-araw. Tapos may part-time din ako sa mga kamag-anak nila. So it's okay lang, at least kumikita. So dito sa ibang bansa, para sa akin, time is gold. Kasi not all the time the good opportunities come into your life. So grab it. Even you are very tired, so don't say no, because the next day is no more. So some life is like this. I feel cold. Oh my God. So ganun ako katindi mag-isip. If someone asks you to help, you can. Sure you can. You don't say no. You try your best. So that is why my employer, guys, magandang gabi. Ang ginawa ngayon talaga dito ngayon sa Macau, kulang yung damit ko. Nanginginig ako kasi isa lang eh. Kaya ng umaga, this morning is I feel hot. So nawala sa isip ko yung jacket. Pero grabe ang ginawa ko. Ay, masaya ako talaga sa mga Lord. Oh my God. Bukas mag-lima na naman ako ng suot na damit na to. Grabe, nag-release. Tapos na ako. Ang talok na mukha. So grabe. Ang ginawa. Nag-release ako pagla sa ginawa. It's like in other country. So, oh my God! Yung ang hangin. Ako lang yan. May huros pang hangin. But tomorrow, guys, is more cold. My goodness. Grabe. Walang hiya. Matindi pa. Nasa loob ng freezer. My God. Subukan na tayo po. Nandito ang tabiang lang. Bukas mag-lima ako suot. Tapos magbunit ako bukas. My God. Kumpiyansa kasi ako eh. Ngayong gabi ang bagsak. Bukas yata? 6 degrees. May kulay. Oh my God. Malapit na ako. Guys, malapit na ako sa aking paparoroonan. Mga Indonesia. Oh my God. Ang ginaw. Ang lamig ng kamay ko. Parang naghawak ng ano, ng ice na. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang ginaw. Nangarap sana akong Europe, yung mag 0 degrees doon. Wag na lang siguro. Taga na lang ako dito sa Macau. Pupuntahin ko dito yung anak ko para dalawa kami dito mangisa. Pangyaw! 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 Iya! I forgot my key. Thank you Thank you so much. Ay, ang ginaw. Super cold. Tomorrow is more cold. I forgot to bring some jacket. Oh my God.